Dash cams are an absolute necessity and I've just got my hands on the best one. This is the AZDOME M550 Dashcam and you can actually record the inside and the outside of your car when you're driving, which is really cool. I'm actually going on a 3,000-mile road trip in around 2 or 3 weeks and this dashcam is going to be really useful to get good footage of the inside and the outside, and it's going to be really interesting, especially if I get pulled over by the police. So at the moment I've only got a small low quality dashcam and it's definitely time for an upgrade. I've honestly wanted this dashcam for so long and I've finally got my hands on it. Look at this thing, it's honestly so sick. The AZDOME M550 dash camera, and you can honestly feel how good the build quality is on the camera. So you've got a bunch of other things in this box. You've got the mounting tools, you've got the actual power cable for the dash cam, and it also comes with a rear dash cam as well. So what I'm going to do now is take off the old dash cam and mount this new one and show you guys how it all looks. Don't know about you, but peeling this back on anything that's new is just so satisfying. So what I've got to do now is find a perfect spot to mount this on my windshield, and also just route the wire all nicely so it's all nice and tucked away. The dash cam's all mounted up now and you can see the wires are all tucked in nicely behind the headboard and they go all around the car into my USB port. So now you'll be able to see the inside and the outside of the car, so let me show you some quick examples. Huge thanks to AZDOME for sending this out. If you want to get yourself an M550 Dashcam, I've attached the link in my bio.